Good morning, grade 4. Welcome to science class. Learners, today we will do worksheets. First of all, worksheet number 4 related to chapter 4 matter. Write the name of matters in suitable boxes. You have read solid, liquid and gases. So, milk is liquid. Ball is solid. Scissors, solid. Juice, liquid. Stone, solid. Air, gases. Eraser, solid. Steam, gases. Blood, liquid. Pencil, solid. Water, liquid. And oxygen, gases. Clear? Next, fill in the blanks. Anything which takes up space is called matter. Matter exists in states. How many states? 3 states. Solid and gas are 3 states of matter. After solid, this is liquid. Matter is made up of tiny particles called molecules. Yes, dash have fixed shape and volume. What is this? Solids. Last is in gases, the molecules are very loosely packed. Tick the correct answer. Solid, liquid and gas are 3 states of water, matter or gas. This is right. Matter. Anything that takes up space is called matter, molecule or solid. This is matter. Milk and water are called gases, solid or liquids. Liquids. Next, the molecules are packed in solids, liquids, gases, in solids. The molecules are very loosely packed in liquids, gases or solids, in gases. Okay. Write 2 examples of the following. Solute, salt and sugar. These are solute. Solvent, water and milk are solvent. Solutions, sweet milk and salty water are solutions. Now worksheet number 5 based on chapter 5 safety first. Write true for correct safety rules and false for incorrect rules. Okay. Do not play rough games. Is this true? Yes. True. Jump off a seesaw without warning your partners. False. Do not carry pointed objects while running. True. Do not play near thorny hedges. True. When we follow safety rules, accidents take place. No, this is false. Safety measures at school are just as important as those at home. 2. Fill in the blanks. Most of the accidents are caused due to carelessness. Never touch any electrical appliance with dash hands, with wet hands. All the medicines should be stored out of reach of the children. Always dash on the footpath. Walk. Immediate care should be given to the victim of an injury. If a person faints, do not dash around him. Do not crowd. Unscramble the first aid items which you should keep in your first aid box. First one is reassemble these letters. This is bandage. Second, there are two words. This is cotton wool. Third is scissors. And last one, tweezers. Okay? Now, give one word for each sentence. Someone who has been injured. Victim. The immediate physical and medical attention given to an injured person. First aid. A case or mishappening due to personal carelessness and in hurry. What is this? Accident. Rules to prevent accidents at home, school, and on the public places. Safety rules. These are safety rules. An international organization that takes care of people suffering from hunger, illness, war, etc. Red Cross. Worksheet number 7, based on chapter 7, adaptations in plants. Fill in the blanks. The leaves of Vallisneria are dash like, ribbon like. Plants that grow in water are called which plants? Which type of plants? Aquatic. Neem, shisham, teak and banyan are dash plants, deciduous. The mangroves grow in dash areas. In which areas? Marshy areas. Amarbel is a parasitic plant. Parasitic? These get food from another living things. Look at the pictures and write there where they grow. First is cactus in desert. Second, in water. Third, mushroom. They don't need sunlight. They can grow anywhere. So, they can grow in darkness, dark places. These plants in plains. And last one is in mountains. Write two examples of each. Floating aquatic plants. Duckweed, water hyacinth. Non-green plants, mushroom, Indian pipe. Insectivorous plants, Venus flytrap, pitcher plant. Plants in deserts, cactus and babool. Plants in cold regions, pine or cedar. Crows the odd one. Neem, cactus, banyan, peepal. Cactus is odd one. Fir, cedar, pine, sal. Which is odd one? Sal. Coconut, lotus, hyacinth, tebras. Which is odd one? Coconut. So cross it. Okay, learners. These worksheet has been completed. Before doing these worksheets, you should read the chapters carefully. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.